We're gonna build 10 websites in just 10 minutes, and each of these clients will pay us $297 every single month. And no, they are not gonna cancel in just few months. As you can see, this client has been paying me $297 for past 2 years, and I have 80 clients just like these, which is bringing in $20,000 every single month with this exact strategy. And in this video, I'll show you the exact method to clone or custom build any website in single click, best outreach strategies to sell these websites where clients will be lining up for your services. And finally, I'll even show you how to deliver the services and get paid from your clients. Now, we don't even have to build a website from scratch or even make use of a pre-built template. Welcome to Go High Level's new AI studio, where we are going to build every website in just single prompt and just one click. And this is a Go High Level's brand new AI studio. If you're not seeing this inside your Go High Level, all you have to do is go inside your Go High Level account. And if you want Go High Level, I do have a 30-day free trial link in the description. So all you have to do is go inside settings and scroll all the way down, called labs. When you click on the labs, scroll all the way down until you see AI Studio. Just click on this scroll bar and go into go back, and there you will see the AI Studio. Just click on this AI Studio, and this is where you get to find the AI Studio, and this is where we will build our websites. So now we're gonna build these websites. And we are not going to sit down and type. I've already tried a bunch of different prompts, and I have found a perfect prompt for you. All you have to do is go inside our community. Again, link is in the description. And you can find this inside the classroom under Go High Level tutorials. And this is where you can find the GHL AI Studio and copy the entire script. Yeah, it's kind of big. Just copy the entire script, go back and paste it. You have to change 3 things. The first thing is the business niche. Second thing is location in the country. The third and most important thing, Google My Business page link. And for example, let's say we will be going with roofing. And the country and the city will be the UK and London. And now what we're going to do is go inside Google and search for roofing in London, and scroll until you find a Google My Business page without a website. So if they don't have this website logo, just click on it and go on the share button and copy this link. And we're gonna go back to our prompt, paste this link here, and all you have to do is click this one button. And inside the builder, you can literally see it's building everything one by one. At the moment, it's fetching the Google My Business page and general images. Now we're gonna see it's gonna create the full website totally from top to bottom, and it's going to create images, and it's going to create the logo. Now we don't even have to create the logo, and it's going to pull all the information from the Google My Business page straight to the website. And all you have to do is click on this button, connect the domain name. That's all. And you can also connect this inside your CRM. That's how simple it is to create a website and connect it to domain names and connect all of these on the back end, and where you can have all the automations and the booking systems and the calendar booking, literally everything. And there you go. The website is fully done, and I'm gonna preview this and I'm gonna show you everything. There you go. Voila. It's a good looking, perfect website. And all the things you are seeing, it's actual clients' Google My Business page informations inside the website. The business name, the reviews, the opening time, the address, even the phone number you are seeing, it's pulling everything from the Google My Business page. You don't have to do anything. And another interesting thing is everything you're seeing inside the website is functional. As you can see, I have filled this form, and once I've submitted the form, it's gonna take this to the backend. It's gonna create a contact list, and from those contact lists, we can set up an automation on the backend to book in a meeting with these customers. And not just that, when you click on this phone number, it will straight away connect to your client's phone. And that's how powerful it is. You don't have to do anything, just the prompt which we took from our community and the link which we took from the Google My Business page. That's all you need. And there's lots of other things we can do. For example, if the client doesn't like the color, for example, they don't like the color yellow, we can say that change the color theme from yellow to blue. That's all you have to do. Click enter and wait for the magic to happen. I think it should be done. Let's go back and give it a refresh. There you go. That's how simple it is. And since it's an AI builder, we can't really click and change anything. All you can do is go inside the AI and prompt. That's all we can do at the moment because this feature is brand new. Go High Level is still building everything on the back end. But to be honest, you don't even need to build anything. You don't even have to access to build anything. You just have to give it a prompt and Go High Level will build everything for you. And I also wanted to show this because yeah, as you can see, it has its own SEO meta tag and the favicon icon on the website. So literally, you don't need to do anything. I can't stress this enough. You don't need to do anything. Just make use of the prompt, put the Google My Business page link, voila, you're good to go. And as I mentioned, I have created lots of other websites with the same prompt, but by taking the Google My Business page link of the actual businesses who don't have websites for my own outreach purposes. As you can see, this is a window cleaning website. And yeah, the fields are usable. And next one is, I tried it out if it's going to work with the restaurant. Guess what? It did. It's a good looking restaurant website. And next we have landscaping website. And again, everything works perfectly. And next up, another roofing website. I mean, look at the graphics, look at the images, look at the build, and all the things you are seeing, it's pulled by the Google My Business page. All the information inside the website is factual, so you don't need to do anything. Next up is a dental website. Voila, the reviews and all the FAQs are functional. And your beauty salon, there you go. And finally, a plumbing website. I mean, you can change the images. You can also add images. For example, let me give you another example. And if you want to clone a website, you can also do that. All you have to do is go look for a Google My Business page with lots of reviews and with the website. If they have lots of reviews, they pretty much have a good looking website. And they have a good looking website. There you go. Yeah, it is good looking website. And all you have to do is go inside this Go Full Page extension. I will leave all this link down in the description. Just click on this Go Full Page, and what it's going to do is it's going to take a screenshot of the full page of this website, and you just have to click on this download button, go inside our Go High Level builder, and you can attach this image and prompt it whatever you want. You can use the same prompt which we use to build the website, and you can use a different prompt to clone the website. And also I wanted to show another thing is that it's actually responsive, mobile responsive. As you can see, you don't have to do like a bunch of different stuff. Usually when it comes to Go High Level, you do have to fix a website. After building the website, you have to fix it for the mobile view. But this, It's already built in the mobile view and the PC view. If you want to copy paste my entire business model for free, which is bringing in $20,000 in monthly recurring revenue, and I'll be teaching you how to outreach the client, how to close the client, and how to deliver the service as quick as possible and start stacking your monthly recurring revenue. And I'll even jump on the weekly coaching calls to answer all of your questions, and I'll help you to get more clients in a matter of days or weeks. You don't need to stress about what to sell and who to sell it to. Everything is already done for you. You just have to copy and paste and start printing money. If you want all of these for free, all you have to do is click the first link in the description. We have seen how good this AI builder is. Now we're going to see how to price our services and how to actually get those clients to get paid for our services. And this is our investment page. And yeah, this is my closing script. Again, all the things linked in the description. This is what we do: 97, 297, and 497. Usually, clients will go for the 97 or the 297. It's your job to ask them or push them to the unlimited plan, where we are outreaching for a free website, and inside the closing, we can upsell for the $1,000 setup and the 297 monthly recurring revenue. And you should ask this question. It's easier to book more meetings when you're pitching your free website inside the cold call or cold DMs. And clients are not going to pay $5,000 for a website. They are more than easier to go with free website for 97 or 297 price point. And if you have 10 clients paying you $297 or $300 a month, that's going to be $3,000. Or if you have 20 clients with $300 a month, that's going to be $6,000. Or if you have 30 clients with the $300 monthly recurring revenue, that's going to be $9,000 every single month. And the best part about this business model is that it's monthly recurring revenue. If you didn't get clients this month, guess what? You will get the same amount you made from the last month with the same monthly recurring revenue. As I showed you in the beginning, they're not going to cancel the subscription in just a few months, since it's actually going to help you, and I'm going to show you how. And the truth is, clients are not going to pay $300 every single month just for a website. We're going to sell them a lead capturing system, an AI chatbot, and appointment booking, and a reputation management. For example, the lead capturing system is just this form. Everyone who is coming inside the website, we are going to collect their information, where we can make use of it on the back end to book a service with these customers, and your clients will make money with their customers. The more money your clients make, the more money you make. And next up, we're going to have the AI chatbot. And this is what I mean by this. So this is the AI chatbot. Right now, it's just a placeholder. You can do lots and lots of different stuff in this AI chatbot. Again, you can fill in with all your clients' businesses information. For example, if a customer is asking, what time are you open? Are you open on Easter holidays? This chatbot will answer all their questions, and it will ask them to book in a service with your businesses, clients, where your clients don't have to do anything. Everything is taken care on the back end, and that's why they are willing to pay the $300. We are saving them a lot of time on the back end, where they can do their business and grow their business. And we are saving them a lot of money, because all the things our Go High Level system is doing, it can be done by a single employee. So instead of paying for an employee, they're just paying us the $300, and everything is taken care of. So this is the reputation management. We're going to send this exact funnel to all our clients' pre-existing customers with automations just like these. We can use the database reactivation, where we can give all their pre-existing customer a small discount or coupon to book in a service with us. Instead of letting them all go, we're going to make use of these automations and kick everything up. And all we're going to do is send this link. The main reason we have this is that, yes, we can send everyone the link, and what if they end up giving a bad review? That's where this comes in handy. For example, if they are giving 3-star, 1, 2, or 3-star, That's going to go into a form where it says, sorry to hear that you're not satisfied. And it's going to collect the data, and they are going to have a feedback on the back end instead of going to their Google My Business page, where it's going to decrease the negative reviews on their Google My Business page, and they can actually get some good information where they can fix their business on the back end instead of this ruining their reputation on Google My Business page. And only if they click on 5 or 4-star review. For example, if they click on 5-star review, it's going to take them straight to their Google My Business page, and this is where they can actually leave a 5-star review. We have seen how to build a website in just a single click and how to have all the backend automation to get the $300 monthly recurring revenue. Now it's the most important section, how to get clients to get paid. You can build everything from scratch. It's going to take you less time. Even my grandma can do this, building stuff. But this is where most of you guys struggle, to actually get a client who can pay for your services. And that's where we have our client acquisition strategy inside our community. Again, everything is free. You can find it in the first link in the description. We have warm network, we have cold walk-ins, we have cold calling, and Instagram DMs. Again, we have all these scripts. You can find all these scripts and all these strategies inside there, and Facebook group outreach. But for the sake of this video, I'm not gonna go deep into that. I've already made an in-depth video on this topic, which I'll leave on the top or leave the link down in the description. For this, we're gonna just go with cold calling. We have these 2 scripts. What we're gonna do is go inside Google and again, search for roofing in London, like your niche and the location. And scroll until you find a business who don't have a website just like these, Roofing in London Limited. And as you can see, they actually have their own phone number. This is not a gatekeeper, it's a phone number. Again, another thing I wanted to mention is if you're doing cold calling, only call a mobile number. Don't call the landline number. You can actually search it up. For example, in the UK, the mobile number starts with 7 and the landline number starts with 1. So all you have to do is give them a call and use our scripts, which is this. This is a more laid back script, and this is more direct script. All you have to do is, hey, is this the business owner? Are you still open and doing services? Let them answer, and this is where you pitch. Amazing. I've actually built you a high converting website totally for free. All I'm asking in return is 5 to 10 minutes of your time to actually look at the website. If you like the website, you can have it totally for free. And guess what? 7 out of 10 times people will be intrigued. They'll be like, okay, why is this guy giving me a website for free? And he's saying he's already built it. Okay, I wanted to at least see how the website looks, and he's giving it for free. All I'm going to lose is 5 to 10 minutes of my life. And if I actually liked it, I'm going to have a website totally for free, which I'm not going to pay $3,000 to $5,000 for someone else to build it. And this is exactly how our community members are closing clients. For example, sold my first website for $750. First client on their first week, $997 plus $197 in monthly recurring revenue. Almost 6,000 collected with this extract strategy. And again, I wanted to mention we are not just selling a free website. Inside the meeting, we try to upsell for the paid website. There's no other business model as simple as this. And this is exactly what I did, from cleaning toilets with minus 7 pounds in my bank account, now traveling full time, making $20,000 every single month. And again, if you closed 10 clients with $300 a month website, you can make $3,000 every single month. If you didn't get client this month, you will be getting the 3,000 which you closed last month. The more clients you stack, the more money you keep on making. It's not going to go down, it's only going to go high. And all the things we have seen inside this video, you can get everything totally for free by clicking the first link in the description. And I hope you got a lot of values out of this video. And I believe that you can get those clients in just few weeks, as my community members did. And I will see you guys in another video. Peace.